On May 14, 2026, the U.S. Senate passed a bill that could change crypto forever. If you own Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoin, this video tells you what happens next. This is the Clarity Act explained in 7 minutes. No hype, just facts. So what is the Clarity Act? The official name is the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act. Its job is simple. Answer one question that has been blocking crypto in America for years. Is a cryptocurrency a security or a commodity? Right now, the SEC and the CFTC have been fighting over this. The SEC says most tokens are securities and should be regulated like stocks. The CFTC says many are commodities like gold or oil. That fight created legal confusion. Because of it, most crypto startups left the US and went to Singapore, Dubai, and Switzerland. The Clarity Act tries to end that war by setting one clear rule for everyone. Here are the 3 biggest changes in the bill. Change number 1 is clear classification. If a blockchain is decentralized enough, the token becomes a commodity under the CFTC. If the project is still centralized and controlled by one company, it stays a security under the SEC. Why does this matter? Because commodities have lighter rules and lower costs. This gives projects a clear path to operate legally in the US without hiring an army of lawyers. Change number 2 is a safe harbor for developers. If you are building a protocol and you are not selling tokens directly to the public, you get legal protection. Before this, developers were scared to launch anything in the US. One wrong move and the SEC would sue. This safe harbor means you can build, test, and launch open source code without living in fear. Change number 3 is exchange registration. Crypto exchanges now have a legal path to register in the US at the federal level. Today, Coinbase and Kraken need 50 different state licenses to operate nationwide. The Clarity Act replaces that mess with one federal license. That is why Coinbase stock jumped 12% the same day the bill passed committee. Now, why does this matter for you? First, institutional money. BlackRock, Fidelity, and other asset managers have said publicly that they are waiting for regulatory clarity before putting billions into crypto. The Clarity Act gives them that clarity. When billions move, prices move. Second, innovation returns to the US. American developers who left for other countries can now come back and build legally in Miami, New York, and Austin. That means more jobs, more products, and more competition in the U.S. market. Third, expect volatility. Whenever a major bill like this passes, we see fast moves in the market. Not because of hype on Twitter, but because billions of dollars that were sitting on the sidelines suddenly have a green light to enter. We saw 20 to 40% moves in 72 hours after similar events in the past. But let's be clear about what the bill does not do. The Clarity Act does not approve Bitcoin ETFs. It does not make crypto tax-free, and it does not guarantee that prices will go up. What it does is remove the legal gray area that has been blocking growth since 2018. Think of it as removing the roadblocks. The market still has to drive the car. Also, important point, the bill is not law yet. It passed the Senate Banking Committee, but it still needs a full Senate vote. Then it goes to the House for reconciliation. After that, it needs the president's signature. So we are not there yet. But passing committee is the hardest step. So what should you watch next? Mark these 3 dates on your calendar. Number 1, the full Senate vote, which is expected in Q4 of 2026. Number 2, the House reconciliation process. This is where the House and Senate work out differences in the bill. Number 3, the SEC's response. Even after the bill passes, the SEC still has rulemaking power. Watch how they interpret the new law. That will tell you how aggressive or conservative they plan to be. If you want to track this live, I will link the official bill text and the Senate Banking Committee schedule in the description below. You can read it yourself and see exactly what it says. If this video helped you understand what is actually happening, hit subscribe. Every week I break down one crypto law or one market move in plain English. No hype, No shilling, just facts you can use. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.